Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 8th of class 7th DAV Social Science Land and the People back exercise. Take the correct option. First, which one of the following is a feature of the Sahara Desert? Answer, it is the world's largest and the hottest desert. Second, which river passes through the world's largest rainforest located in South America? Answer, Amazon. Third, the prairies are also known as the granaries of the world due to the practice of answer extensive farming. Fourth, in which continent is the Kalahari Desert located? Answer, Africa. Fifth, rice, jute and tea are important crops of answer Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. B. Fill in the blanks. Sand dunes are the common features formed by winds in the hot desert. The opening of Srinagar Leh has made Ladakh big tourist center. Third, the prairies produce huge surplus of wheat, corn, oat, etc. Nile is the world's longest river. Ganga Brahmaputra is known as the world's largest delta. C. Write true or false for the following statements. First, Sahara receives heavy rainfall in the winter region. False. Second, rhinoceros is a common animal of the Amazon basin. False. Third, the top layer of the Amazon forest is known as canopy. Third, true. Fourth, desert are the areas of low vegetational cover. True. Fifth, the yak and the sheep are the common animals of the Ladakh desert. True. D. Answer the following questions brief. First, what are the various uses of the date palm tree for the inhabitants of the Sahara Desert? Answer, in the Sahara Desert, both animals and people eat dates. The sap of date tree is used to make wine. The seeds of date are crushed and used as fodder for camel and goats. The leaves and trunks are used for making baskets, ropes, and doors. Second, name the two types of desert according to their locational zones. Answer, the two types of deserts according to their locational zones are first, hot or tropical desert, second, cool or temperate desert. Third, name the important rivers found in the Veld grasslands. Answer, the important rivers found in the Veld grasslands are Limpopo and Orange. Fourth, why is the Ganga Brahmaputra delta known as Sundarban? Answer, the lowest part of Ganga Brahmaputra delta is covered with mangrove forests. These forests are dominated by a plant species locally known as Sundari. That is why this area is named as the Sundarban. Fifth, mention the three layers of foliage of the equatorial forest. Answer, the topmost layer of the foliage is known as canopy. Below this, there are two more layers of foliage consisting of shrubs and bushes. E. Answer the following questions. First, distinguish between the Sahara Desert and the Ladakh Desert with respect of location, climate, and vegetation. Answer, the differences between Sahara and the Ladakh Desert are as follows. Location, Sahara Desert, Ladakh Desert. Sahara Desert, it covers almost the entire northern part of the Africa. Ladakh, it is situated in northeastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Climate, Sahara, it is a region of hot and dry climate with clear sky. Ladakh, the temperature is very low for the major part of the year. Vegetation, Sahara, it is sparsely covered with grasses, shrubs and bushes. Ladakh, willow trees are found in these areas. Second, why are the rainforests of the Amazon basin disappearing? Answer. In the past few decades, due to the increase in population, many rainforests have been cleared for various purposes. People are moving towards this area because of economic potential of the Amazon basin. Vast forest areas were cleared for setting up camp areas and constructing roads. These are the reasons why the rainforests of the Amazon basin are disappearing. Third, why is the density of population in the Sahara Desert low? Answer. The density of population in the Sahara Desert is low because of the following reasons. First, it is a region of hot and dry climate. Second, the average annual rainfall is less than 20 centimeter. Third, vegetation cover is scanty or almost nil. Fourth, it is very hot during day 43 degrees and very cold 10 degrees at night. Fourth, differentiate between prairies and the velds. Answer. Prairies, the grassland in North America is known as prairies. Velds, the grassland in South Africa is known as velds. Second, it covers a large area of USA and Canada. where it covers southern part of Africa. Third, the main rivers are Mississippi and its tributaries. The main rivers are Limpopo and Orange. Why is the Ganga Brahmaputra region thickly populated? Answer. The soil of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is very fertile and suitable for cultivation of various crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute, and tea. Agro based industries like textiles and sugar, etc., are common in this region. Towns and cities of Haridwar, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Patna, and Guwahati are also located near river banks, are developing at a very fast rate. Because of these reasons, the Ganga Brahmaputra region thickly populated. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.